Hi, third grade. Today we are going to spend some time reviewing yet another part of speech that we've learned this year in third grade, verbs. If we look up here at the introduction, it says and reminds us that a verb is a word that tells what someone or something does or is. Some verbs show action. An action verb tells what someone or something does. For example, squirrels eat nuts and leaves. What do squirrels do? The verb is eat. The other sentence says, I watch the squirrels in the tree. What do I do? The action verb here is watch. However, some verbs do not show action. The verb be tells what someone or something is. The verb be has different forms. Am, is, and are all forms of be. Those are what I call sneaky verbs. For example, I am an expert on squirrels. Am is a verb that tells what I am. Is also a sneaky verb. A tree is a good home for squirrels. Is it a safe place to hide? Yes, it is. And lastly, are. Most squirrels are brown or gray. They are so cute. So remember, verbs can show action. I always like to think of charades, actions that you act out, or they can be sneaky verbs like am, is, and are. Let's try the guided practice down below together. Here's the hint on the side that I like to read first. In a question, the verb be can come at the beginning of the sentence. For example, is it furry? Here's that sneaky verb is, and it's at the beginning of this sentence or the beginning of this question. Okay, the directions at the top say underline the verb in the sentence. Write A above the verb if it's an action verb. Write B if it is a form of the verb be. And remember, those words would be am, is, are. Number 1, squirrels live in cities and in the country. What do squirrels do? I spy an action verb here, live. And since it's an action verb, remember to write a capital A up above it. Number 2, I see a question. Remember what that hint over here told us. Are you afraid of squirrels? Am, is, are. I see a sneaky verb. Are is a form of the verb be. So put a be with that. Number 3, I am not afraid of them. I see another sneaky verb. Remember, keep saying to yourself, am, is, are. They're all verbs. I see am, and since it's a form of be, I'm going to put a be. Number 4, I study different kinds of squirrels. What do I do? This one's an action. Study. Put an A. Number 5, Indian giant squirrels grow as long as 3 feet. That's a big squirrel. What do Indian giant squirrels do? I see an action verb here. Right, grow. Put an A above it for action. Number 6, a pygmy squirrel is 5 inches long. I see a sneaky one. Remember, am, is, are. Do you see the word is? It's a form of that verb be. Nice. Number 7, most gray squirrels eat acorns in fall and winter. I see an action verb. What do most gray squirrels do? That's right, eat. Mark it with an A for action verb. And lastly, number 8, Is that a gray squirrel in the tree? I notice this is a question. So remember the hint. In a question, the verb be can come at the very beginning. There it is. Am, is, are. Is a sneaky verb, a form of the verb be. All right, third grade. Now it's your turn to try the independent practice. Do the best you can.